Where are you, Jordy?
What? Gone. I'm allergic to cops, so's Maurice, but don't worry, I left you a present. Friend of a friend deals in pre-owned cars. Got a real beauty waiting for you in the garage across the street.
Ooh.
Take it or leave it, I don't care.
Sounds
Gotta
beautiful.
Go.
I just saw a bunch of cops fly by out there.
What's going on? Listen to that crap.
That was your fault.
We'll check some of the side streets.
Oh, hey, hey, hey. Oh, yep, that's not good. That was awkward. I think that was two dudes making out.
I needed this bad. Finally got the goddamn trigger, man. Just need to break through. How? Push Maurice hard. Torture's not gonna work on this guy, so I need to get inside his head. The guilt is eating him up. I'll give him a couple of days. And then I'll start reaching out.
Why would you get out on that side? Oh. Well, guys, do not do that. That's a definite for sure. Do not explode yourself. Alright, so I'm right here. So that explodes. That explodes. Alright, so yeah, let's not do that. How to get up there? Nope, that ain't gonna work. Alright, so that's probably for to shoot and shit. Oh, that's bad. Damn. I'll be right back. Alright, here we go.
Right? Yeah.
You've exceeded the maximum minutes this month by a significant amount, which explains the high bill. Remember, messages left in your voicemail also factor into the bill, and I am showing heavy activity.
Wait a fucking minute. My voicemail is filled with promotional calls from your company.
Ma'am, our webpage clearly indicates you can opt out.
That's kind of funny.
These guys. I heard stories, man, that like nothing I've ever seen before. You gotta walk away from this, man.
Why are you sitting here? He's coming, right? Not like last time. Jackson, I did invite him. It's been so long. Are you sure you called the right number? Honey, your uncle's a different kind of person. It doesn't mean he doesn't love us.
Our info in finding Maurice was correct. We've gained access to the CTOS backdoor while the police were being distracted by you. Since we both win in this, we'll share what we have. That backdoor allows you some access to the CTOS network. I'm still working on something bigger. Give me time.
Alright, what is this? Okay. And this does... Yeah, let's get an extra battery. Oops. Oh, nice.
Drive where?
Anywhere.
I don't want to go anywhere. I want to go to Pawnee.
Okay, you're the boss. We'll go to Pawnee.
Well, alright guys.
That way. It's never a dream for tiny face.
This is all we got for this episode.
With a
keep tuned in. I'll try and do 2 episodes a week from there. But alright, see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like. Have a great day.